Here's a Viper remote start alarm installed, Chevy Avalanche. Lock, unlock, remote start, pop trunk for the cars. If the vehicle is hit or any of the doors are pried open, it will fire off the alarm system. The alarm comes with a blue LED light up on the antenna. So now I'm going to open up the doors and it will set it off. And for the remote start, hit the orange button, parking lights flash, and the engine cranks. Got them in stock, ready to go here at Innovative Cars Sound. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6. Come by the shop, check us out. We'll see you guys on the next one.